Our goal was to provide Alex Healing Farm with a stream restoration plan for Hines Creek that benefited the stream as well as the farm.
One challenging aspect of our project was analyzing the flows of the stream. We had to learn several different programs to accurately model the conditions on site.
Positive outcome for a client was receiving achievable changes that they can implement, such as changing their mow line and planting native vegetation along the bank of the creek.
One positive outcome that I received as a member of the Alex Haley team was the ability to gain practical experience using AutoCAD, which will actually help me greatly in my future career.